If another pest control company sends you to us, you know it's bad. This homeowner's been dealing with rats for 6 months, 2 companies, and he still has a rat problem inside of his walls, along with the sewer odor. So we're about to figure out what's going on and what these other pest controllers missed. And shout out to Rodent Control for bringing us in and saving this customer. Let's get started.
Yeah, did a decent job of sealing things up, but we still kept hearing more. Here's the bathroom. It all flowed down to the pipe down here. So it originated in here.
Yeah, I can smell that.
Yeah. So
So they sealed that up.
sealed it up. This is the other toilet
Okay.
that flows down. And just last week, I heard him literally right behind this wall.
Oh, this leads into the attic. Okay.
There's traps all around the whole
Perimeter.
perimeter.
Looks clean. I don't smell anything up here. All right, so let's inspect the roof, and I'm gonna go directly above those affected bathrooms where he's getting most of the activity. We're at the highest part of the roof right here. This vent right here leads right down to where they're getting that activity and that sewer odor. Whew. Lots of sewer gases. I've been sniffing these vents for so long. It hasn't affected me, thank God. Uh-oh. See the water accumulating? And this is galvanized, you guys. This is why we use the rat caps. I'm not just trying to sell you products, but I guarantee you, especially if you're close to the ocean, this will be completely rusted out. You heard our homeowner, our customer, saying they did a really good job sealing everything up. These are the overlaps here. You can see this is completely sealed up. Also, pest controllers, if you're doing a job and you seal everything up and you've deployed traps and you're not solving a rat job within 10 days or less, you shouldn't be going back and forth doing the same thing and checking, resetting traps, adding more traps. You need to stop. You need to figure out who's going to come in and do a very aggressive smoke test and verify that everything is completely sealed and the rats continue. It's going to be a sewer issue. So I would encourage you to get on our site and just we created a DIY smoke testing kit. It's phenomenal. All right, speaking of smoke testing, that's what we're gonna focus on right now. We're gonna determine how many breaches are in the plumbing system. Oh, and as I'm walking around the house, dryer vents, pest controllers, don't be using this mesh over the dryer vents. It's gonna collect a lot of lint. It's gonna cause you to have callbacks. Check out on the shoprodentfree.com on the site. We use a magnetic dryer vent, completely seals out. Something to consider. Okay, here we go. All right, as you can see, we're getting smoke. Question is, where is it coming from? So to strategically figure out if it's higher above, more in the second floor or lower portion of the structure, we're gonna run our micro camera down to see if we can identify where the breach is, and there could be multiple. I kind of like the sound of that. Strategically open up. I mean, leave in the comments, that does sound pretty good, right? All right, now time to run the camera. All right, so there's a lot of grease buildup in this line. I'm not going to be able to see anything. Well, as you can see, there won't be any strategic openings because we weren't able to find anything. So now we're going to have to make an incision in the wall and then track down where that opening is. So now I'm going to have to use my 32 years of experience in trying to figure out where we're going to open up. And that's why I'm here. Let's open up all of this and take all this out. All right, we're gonna add another dose of smoke and see if we can identify this.
Hey Brian, you getting smoke out of the other vents? He is smoking out of other vents.
Yeah. No smoke. Yeah, you can see we're smoking. Oh, look at this. Smoke here. Look at this. It's all electrical, huh? All right, this is weird. We're getting smoke coming out of the electrical panel, and there's no plumbing on that wall. All right, so I'm gonna come down to the backyard. We're losing a lot of smoke. This is a massive, massive sewer line. So sometimes the smoke will rise out of the ground and pinpoint where the cleanout is. Yep. Look at the smoke, look at the smoke. So somewhere's a cleanout. See how much smoke we're losing? We're gonna have to dig this up.
A few minutes later.
All right, now we're moving up.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
All right, so we're starting to smell rat urine. And you can see the smoke here. All right, so we're gonna have to utilize our sponges here. This is part of our DIY smoke testing kit. So when you buy our smoke machine or smoke candles, you'll get these as well. This is what we're gonna do, is we're gonna pull that clean out off. We'll shove this in here like this. So now we should be getting significant more higher concentrations of smoke now coming in this wall. All right, so we're right there. Got to follow this pipe going towards this boundary. So that pipe leads right into this wall.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Bingo, right there. Look at the amount of droplets in here. So this needs to get open and get repaired.
Meanwhile, back in the lowlands.
Okay, so these are going to be the products that we're going to need to efficiently get rid of the rats. We're going to use our rat vac, slide this into the wall, which sucks them out. The enzyme to do all the sanitization. Most important is the rat blocker, the one-way flap that's going to go down on that hillside. And then replace the galvanized mesh over those roof vents and go with the rat caps.
72 hours later.
All right, guys, well, it's been 72 hours and the rat vac got the only rat left that was in that wall. Check out the footage. So we're going to continue to monitor to confirm and verify that that home is rat-free. But 72 hours with just one rat migrating through that wall, it's a good indication that we've got this job solved. Especially with that rat blocker in. There's no other way these city sewer rats are going to get back in ever into the four walls of that plumbing system.
Several long days later.
All right, well, it's been 15 days, no more rats. I'm headed on vacation. I need a break. For sure deserves the rat dance, but I'm gonna do it on my vacation.
Next one.